Okay, so let's see. This is another video where we are going to unbox the UnihikerK10, which I purchased from Ivelta, that I showed in the last video. So let's open and see how it comes. Okay, looks like genuine only, fully packed. Color is also matching, and there is a nice data cable. If you know that this is the original data cable from DF robot, then yeah, this could be the one. Then if any DF robot is written here, no, but looks very premium. Touch and feel is very good about this cable. And this is the main module. Let me tear it off. Wow, this container is nice. It's like electrostatic. I think the static discharge will be soaked in. And this is it. You have a camera front. There is one more camera. No, so there is a mime microphone, and then left and right speaker, or I don't know what speaker it has, but this is the speaker module, I believe. This is the ESP32 module, and many more. So yeah, this camera is connected here, looks like, and there is one more open slot. I don't know, maybe some external you can connect something else, or oh no, this is for the display, and this is for the camera. So you see, this one is for the camera, sorry, this is for the display, and this one is connecting the camera. So I can peel it off, but maybe after some time I'll feel little bit of keeping it for a few days, the feeling of new. And yeah, this is the micro SD slot. And in the next video we will see how to use it, but I think this is not there's no battery connected in it. We have to connect it through this. Yeah, that's what. So yeah, what are the other things? This is I2C, and these are RGB LEDs. Okay, and one good thing is this is the output side is exactly same as microbit. So let's see. So this is the microbit I have, and this is the Ivelta's, sorry, this is the UnihikerK10, and if you see, they're exactly same, and you have an adapter here. So let's try, because microbit always works on this, you know. So if I plug it in, and yeah, it fits well. So I think this is gonna work. I will try to make one more video where plugging Unihiker into the microbits adapter and how it works. Okay, so bye for now. Thank you.